Hi everybody, how are you? I hope you're fine. I am Nader. You will learn with me the Arabic language. I am from Syria. I speak fluently Arabic. So my mother language is Arabic. I want to teach you now how to say if some Arabic talk with you and you don't like this person, what you can say to keep him out. Like, get out from my life, okay? Goodbye, bye bye. خلاص. First word is حل عني. حل عني. Okay? روح. Second word, روح. روح. It means go. Go. And حل عني it's like go away. I don't want you. I don't want you. Go away from me, from my life. Okay, example. My brother come to me and he do me like this, like this. Brother, don't do that. Don't do that. حل عني. حل عني يا أخي. روح فل. فل means go. روح فل. Go من go from here. Okay? حل عني. روح. اطلع من حياتي. اطلع من حياتي. Like go from my life. Go from my life. I don't want you. أنت سيء. أنت سيء means you are bad. You are bad. But I will give you advice. Don't say that. Be positive and say حل عني. Bye. Bye. مع السلامة. And do block and let's go and live good life with good people. If you are interested to learn Arabic, this is my Instagram and this is my number. I will put it in the description and in the comments. You can talk with me. I am good person.